Welcome to the Dripless video, How to Field Strip Your ETS Gun. ETS 2000 and 3000 series are useful in many ways, but one of the greatest things about the ETS series guns is that you can take them apart, clean them off, and put them back together so they work just like new. Once you remove the pusher plate and back the rod out of the gun completely, you can take off the cradle and clean it if you want to. Cleaning out the inside hole of the drive dog is very important. This is where contaminants get in and affect the function of the gun, making the rod slip. Make sure when you reinsert the drive dog that the little mark on the face of the drive dog faces forward. Okay. Next, remove the silicone plug at the end of the handle. Take it out, take the spring out, clean it off, and reinsert. Cleaning the rod is also very important, as contaminants probably have affected the surface of the rod. Okay, you can stop. Dry off the surface of the rod and the plug and prepare for reinstallation. Okay, stop. Let's go. The trickiest part of the whole process is getting the silicone plug and spring reinserted into the rear of the handle. Pay close attention. Before inserting the rod through the bull nose, slip the cradle back on, slip the rod through, reattach the pusher plate and nut, and you're good to go.